Before you go. Open. Gonna have to. Sorry. Before you go.
No!
Look at this contraband. Look at this contraband.
Oh my god. Seriously?
Well, I don't eat it all the time.
No, look at this contraband.
Here comes these.
Wait a second. You prankster! Alright, it's locked now. I do it. You prankster. I do it. I knew it. I knew he was gonna prank us. It's non-working Windows Sergeant. You're welcome. Are you? We're at Dunkin' Donuts and we're ordering. If you open up the refrigerator door, it will stop. I don't know where the switch is located, but I guess it's hidden.
How close is it? Is it on?
Get her. No, don't get her crutches. Hold her. Excuse me. Excuse me. Here's the regular one.
Yeah, I'll just organic. Okay.
Right, so I just arrived at Costco. I'm running to the way back because I was summoned there. I've been summoned. Oh my god. Which one? The other one. The rolls?
Yeah.
No, these are what I like.
That dough?
Yeah.
Okay, then put it back. I got it already. I know they have a green one, but I don't see it. Okay, then we good there.
I knew those were bacon bits.
Okay.
Wait, Dad's calling too? Wait a second, I'm gonna stop this. Huh? I'm getting.
Let me see.
Alright, got back home. We're gonna go back out soon. But, yeah. Gotta pack. I already have this clothing pack. Gotta pack more. Okay. We're just gonna put these shorts here. They're not my. I gotta look in here for a second. Here we go. I'm gonna put the food away I got. Alright, so now we arrived. Hello? Look at that Tesla with the Falcon Wing doors. Take her hair down. We just got to a Fresh Thyme and found some fruits. Alright guys, it is 7:22 and I'm gonna get ready to take another shower all the way. I took one 2 days ago. I'm still gonna take another one. I just decided to do so. So anyways, get undressed. Gotta take this off, gotta take my thermal off. Okay. Great, so turn on the hot water. You gotta let it steam up a little bit. Not heating, heating up a lot. Okay. Guess this water's talented. Alright, time to take a shower.
Don't keep it up. These people just trying to keep up with us. Put two and two, trying to figure out if me.
No, I should not pack this, but I will, because it's got 120 volt AC. Just so I could porta plug this in. So I'm gonna put in a power station. Also, I'm gonna go get a pouch. So here are my new headphones, since the other one's dropped down the shaft, but I won't drop them down another elevator shaft. I know. It's the first time it happened. Right. I didn't pack heavy equipment in here this time, but when we were staying at a place for long, I would take some video equipment that I will use, but in Tennessee, I could not use it because I did not get access to a computer. Plus, there were no computers inside that place that we Airbnb'd. So now, my headphones, gonna do a test on them. These are like, I literally just got these. So there's some dust covers in here I have to remove. So hand sanitizer, cocoa butter, hand wipes, and pocket packs. Alright, so taking down this hot cold wrap. I know I should not be walking down here barefoot, but what do you expect? Have to get packing. Oh my god, that's bright. There's more than just once the stuff will just be thrown on the floor. Oh. Oh. What? Yeah, cheap Chinese bags be like. Of course. Guess we have more than that. Here we got some cute bitter tomatoes. Well, they're not really cute, but they're nice. They kind of look a little weird. That's it. I do not want to touch any of this fishy stuff. You know I'm fancy. Yep, fishes. Fishies are cute, guys. In my opinion, certain fishes are cute alive, and also Carter Pajeski caught a Magnum topwater spot. Those are so cute. I don't know what type of fish he caught, but it's so cute. It's adorable. Owie. We're gonna shut it off. Also, it's got a little power delay. But I mean, it does doesn't need that. Oh, jeez. Okay, I need to see what those options are real quick. Gonna get a step stool. Look at that. Oh, she talked to me. But anyways, I gotta find a toothpaste.
Why do you want me into the kitchen?
Yeah, because we put our bags here. Ah. Yep, say your final goodbyes. Do it nicely.
I'll do that later.
Do it later. Okay. I don't really have time for that right now, but
Okay,
I'll do it. Where in the world?
Bye, Jada.
Bye.
I'll see you next time. I'll see you on Sunday.
Saturday. Yeah.
Saturday morning or Saturday?
Sunday. Sunday.
Okay, I'll see you on Sunday then.
Where's the tooth? Hey. You got the, got the, bros got the, oh my god. Bros got the pain. Do you notice what I said? Okay, where in the world is the toothpaste? This is new. Feminine products. It's not only feminine products, it's also I know I shouldn't be exposing that on YouTube, but it wasn't on purpose. Wasn't even intended to.
Hey, it's not done yet.
Oh, this is falling in the sink.
Okay.
Hey,
I'll be down
drawer. Where? Lululemon paste for Christian.
You don't want to leave
Okay.
that out here because you can forget. Okay?
Great.
Anything you're gonna forget, you forget this. You're gonna eat. You're gonna be fine. Because they got the food for you. You're just not gonna be able to buy it.
No.
Okay. So.
I put the envelope in there.
Yeah, you're gonna take your clothes. But I'll
The stove is not on. No, it's not.
He's probably done. You wanna look at it? That's why I wanted it off. Because he's hot enough that it's gonna finish cooking.
Yeah, at least nobody opened it.
Is it brown?
Doesn't really look done, but it's brown on the top. Yeah, like the mechanical ones.
Yep, grab one.
I cannot wait to go to Washington, D.C. tomorrow, guys. So this video is going to be concluded soon. Mashallah, this video has been successful and it's coming to a conclusion right now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Jazakallahu khairan for your time. Like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next video tomorrow. Get ready. Bye.